Hi, this is Bob from Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. And if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all our upcoming video notifications. The Toughpad FZ-M1 was designed for users who need to get serious work done in the worst of conditions. In today's video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough of the FZ-M1 and some of my personal favorite features. So stay tuned. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Today I'm going to just walk you through the Toughpad FZ-M1 tablet from Panasonic. This little tablet definitely has come a long way. It is similar to the FZ-G1. And by the way, if you want to check out that tablet, which has a bigger screen, check out my video that I talk about the top 10 features of that tablet. The FZ-M1 though has a 7-inch screen, so it's a little bit bigger than your cell phone. There's some nice features to this. It has an upgrade section, like right here you'll see the upgrade. This particular unit has a barcode scanner as well as a credit card swiper. So you could swipe a credit card, scan a barcode, and run credit cards with this particular upgrade. You can also add extra USB ports, GPS, a serial port. So you have some versatility with this particular unit. It also comes with a front and back video camera. Nice features on this would also include programmable buttons, a volume control button. This is your power button there. There's a little cover door for your power port. The battery is right here, and you can get the extended battery, which would bump this out just a little extra, but give you some extra battery power as well. But the other one is nice and sleek, goes right in there. Believe it or not, runs Windows 10 Pro 64-bit fantastically. This particular unit that I have holding in my hand, you can purchase on our website. We have them available. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD, and nice unit, low hours, no problems with these things. Back here you can get a port replicator or docking station to pop it into. So if you want to use an external monitor, external keyboard, or any other devices you plan on plugging in, you can just plug into that port replicator. Originally it came with Windows 8, but Windows 10 runs very well. Again, a 7-inch screen, nice and light, can't weigh but a couple of pounds. Check it out. I also do a top 10 on this tablet as well, episode number 13. Check it out, watch that video where I go more into detail on the guts of this unit. Well, that's all I got for you today on the Toughpad FZ-M1. Well, that's all I got on this Toughpad FZ-1. Remember, we do these episodes every week on Wednesday. Hope to see you next week.